graphical representation of frequency distribution. So as we have seen before is the same. So first is what? Histogram or area diagram, second is frequency polygon, and the last is OG or cumulative frequency graph. Now this you can learn from this diagram. So here what we have done, we have considered, yes, here we have considered this bar diagram, and by using this bar diagram, this is the maximum height of your bar. So how do we calculate mode from this? So consider this line, okay. So lower limit, upper limit of previous class, and here lower limit, upper limit of the corresponding class, and here lower limit of succeeding class, means next class, and lower limit of our considering class. So this point gives you mode of your data, right? Now if I consider, so this is called as histogram. Histogram is nothing but what? Your bar diagram. Now these are the values, these are midpoints and these are midpoints and these are corresponding frequencies. So for this I considered, this is nothing but your line chart, right? So corresponding to this we drawn this points, only the difference is here we consider this lower limit also, and here this as upper limit, right? So this is your complete, what we are calling it as, it is nothing but frequency polygon. So 46 is your minimum observation and 76 is your maximum observation. Now how do we find this ogive curve? Ogive curve is or ogive curve is considered by using less than cumulative frequency or more than frequency, cumulative frequency. So here is the graph for what? Less than ogive curve or more than ogive curve. So all these are a representation of your distribution. Here this Q1, Q2, Q3 that we are going to learn in the next chapter, which are nothing but quartiles. Now what the type of frequency curves are? For bell shaped curve, U shaped curve, J shaped curve and mixed curve. So these are different shapes of your curve. So in statistics, if for the given data, if you will get bell shaped curve, then your data is more frequent or is more consistent. So this is called as, it's like, it looks like a bell, so it is called bell shaped graph, okay. Here again this is U shaped curve, right? Here it will be what? Here it will be J shaped curve, and here this will be any curve, okay, which is called as mixed curve. So we cannot say it is U, V or so U bell shape or J shape. So it is mixture, right? So here summary is given to you. So read this summary. So these are different concepts that we have learned in this chapter, okay. Now the next point, that is the problems based on this, we will see in a next lecture, okay. I hope you understood this. This is a descriptive chapter. It only gives me what are types of your random variable, or how do I write the given problem either in individual observations or frequency distribution. Now if that frequency distribution is there, then it consists of two types, whether it is individual frequency distribution or continuous frequency distribution. So all these are important points in this chapter. I hope you understood this. If not, you can ask me your questions on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.